Assalamualaikum and good morning to my fellow student and my lecturer, Muhammad Zulfahmi bin Abdul Salam. Me and my friend are going to presenting about divorce cases in Malaysia. Firstly, I want to introduce myself and my friend. My name is Muhammad Nur Arif bin Shukri. My matrix number is 06DKM19F1052 and my friend's name is Haikal Delni bin Tajul Ruzaiman and his matric number is 06DKM19F1036. Divorces case in Malaysia. Among young couple, there are two reasons for men and women. So we start for women.
My name is Muhammad Aikadelni bin Tajur Rozaiman. Number metric 06 DKM 19F1036. Divorce cases in Malaysia among young couples for women reason firstly lack of mutual understanding. Some of couples still do not have a mutual understanding. This causes the problems that occur cannot be resolved well and can lead to divorce. This is because they still do not know each other in terms of behavior. Second, infidelity. To choose a partner, we have to choose the right partner for marriage. Because getting married just because love is not enough, because we need to know, we need to have money to cover expenses. If we don't have money, it's a possibility of cheating and divorce. Third, irresponsibilities spouse. Having an irresponsible spouse is also one of the causes of divorce. Because marriage requires a great responsibility for the man to satisfy the desires of his wife and children. If not have responsibility, it can lead to divorce also.
The reason for men lack of mutual understanding it is because men sometimes prioritize their work and not always at home. Sometimes men don't have enough time for their wife to be with their wife or girlfriend that make both of them misunderstanding each other. Number two, interference from in-law. In both genders, there was significant path between work and personal life interference and turnover. Depressive symptoms were, however, not found in the relationship between work, personal life, interference, and turnover. They have three main causes of divorce cases in Malaysia. Firstly, we have money problem with 17,359 cases. And second, we have third party interference with 6,574 cases. And then we have physical and mental abuse with 4,184 cases. However, overall divorces dropped by 3.2% from 51,642 in 2016 and dropped to 49,965 in 2017. However, the highest rate of divorces case in Malaysia was in average of 30 to 34 years old age range for both gender. State with the highest divorce figures in 2017 is Selangor with 8,794 cases with Muslim and 2,068 with non-Muslim in cases. In Johor, we have 4,441 cases with Muslim and 1,526 cases with non-Muslim. In Kedah, we have 3,551 cases with Muslim and no cases with non-Muslim in Kedah. However, in Perak, we have 1,249 cases with non-Muslim, with no cases in Muslim. However,
The pie chart shows three main causes in divorce in Malaysia. Overall, the chart show that money problem is the highest problem from the two other causes with 17,359 cases. On the other hand, third party interference is big highest than physical and mental with 6,574 cases. Overall, it is shown that physical and mental abuse, the lowest man causes among the young couple in Malaysia is 4,884 cases.
this is a bar graph for Muslim case in divorce case in Malaysia according to state in 2017. The green, we have three different state. The green one is Kedah, the blue one is Johor, and the yellow one is Selangor. In Kedah, we have 3,551 cases, a bit lower than Johor. In Johor, we have 4,441 cases, a bit higher than Kedah. As you can see, in yellow one is Selangor with the highest case for Muslim divorces in Malaysia with 8,794 cases. In the next slide, we have bar graph for non-Muslim cases in Malaysia according to state in 2017. The blue one is Perak, Johor in orange, Selangor in grey. So in Perak, we have 1,249 cases for Muslim, a bit lower case for Johor. In Johor, we have 1,526, slightly bit more than Perak. In Selangor, still have the highest cases for non-Muslim in divorces case in Malaysia with 2,068. As you can see here, Selangor is the highest divorces case in Malaysia for both non-Muslim and Muslim in Malaysia with 8,794 for Muslim and 2,068 cases for non-Muslim. So that's all from us. Thank you.